Welcome back to our video. My name is Desrenti Marsutemang and my friend.
My name is Nabila Shakira.
So right now we will present our video and we hope
All of you guys will enjoy our video.
so happy watching. Morning miss, can I sit here?
Yes, yes.
I don't think we've met before. My name is Desrenti Marsutemang from Kala Logistik.
Nice to meet you, Miss Destiny. I'm Nabila from PT Samudra Shipping.
How are you finding the conference so far?
Yes, it's very interesting. The presentations about green technology were excellent.
I agree. And would you like to join with us for lunch later? It's a great opportunity to talk more about possible cooperation.
That sounds great. Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. So let's meet at the hotel restaurant at 12:30.
Perfect. See you then.
Let's drink together.
Bonus, come now give it to us all that money. Super bonuses, we work so hard, it's not funny. It's time to celebrate.
Hi, good morning. I don't think we've met before. I'm Nabila Shakira. I'm from Samudra Jaya.
Nice to meet you, Miss Mahula. I am Desrenti from Kala Logistik.
So, how are you finding the conference so far?
I think it's very interesting. The presentation about green technology were excellent.
Okay, I agree. Would you like to join us for lunch later? It's a great opportunity to talk more about our possible cooperation.
Wow, that sounds great. Thank you for that invitation.
Yes, you're welcome. Let's meet at the hotel restaurant at 12:30.
Of course. Yes, let's drink together. Okay guys, that's all our video
And thank you for your time.
and see you again at the next video. Bye bye.